the difference between slicer and filter is the slicer is sitting on top of your report canvas, okay, but the filter is the hidden one. Using filter you can apply the filter on a specific visual alone. Visual level filter is possible, across the page level filter is possible, and all, but using sync slicer also you can apply the filter across the pages. But the advantage of sync slicer is you can enable the filtering across the specific pages only. The filter all pages, it blindly applies the filter to all the pages. I don't think so it is not practically useful in real time scenario, but they have given us the option. If you want to apply the filter across all the pages, you can use filter all pages, filter page, say all the visual in single page, right? That is possible, but the combination of visual level filter and specific visual level filter and the page level filter, you can do it with this one, with the filter option. But is it possible that I can do it with the help of slicer also? Yes, you can use slicer, and we can try that one also. For example, here I just go ahead and already I just created a dummy slicer here. I just drag and drop the category here. See, the page across page level filter is applied to the slicer also. So here we have applied visual level filter. I'm going to do now furniture. If I select furniture, this one also getting applied, right? So visual level filter, across page level filter, on top I have used a slicer. But slicer will give you, right, with the help of slicer we can enable the users within your organization, right, so to view the reports based on their area of interest. Let's say I am the category manager for furniture. I just want to view only the furniture category, but you would still argue with me. Then you can go and use the page level filter, and you can see all the furniture related thing, right? So why he needs a slicer here? But slice is a convenient way of doing it. Again, we cannot expect the end user or layman to go here. See, if the person doesn't know how to use filters and all, right, it is difficult. So let's not enforce, or let us not force the users to go ahead and use the explicit filter, okay? Instead, this requires some kind of reporting knowledge, right? So development knowledge, okay? They don't have to go here, and once you see, this is a pre-built, and again later point in time, if they want to apply across the pages and specific pages, and if they want to view only the specific area of interest related data only, if they want to view it, they can apply it. This is very flexible and user friendly compared to filters. This is one difference. Okay, see, in simple term, slices sit on your report page itself, right, inside the body of the report, right? So in the case of filters, right, so filters can only be interacted with via the filters pane. That is the difference. That is one difference, okay? But with slices features, right, the whatever the objects that are there in your report body, right, it allow you to interactively slice and dice the data. So that is the beauty of slicer. Interactively, you can interact with visuals by selecting or applying the specific filters, okay? By selecting specific items, you can apply that one. So that is the difference between slicer and this one, the filters.